Hello everyone, welcome to part 41 of reactjs tutorial with Laravel for beginners. And in this video, we are going to work on the checkout component. We are going to create a new checkout component for displaying the products, and also we're going to show the total amount in that we have generated in the last video. Okay, so see in the last video that we able to generate that JSON. We able to build the checkout API that we have tested in Postman as well. This is checkout API, and in which we able to pass the total price as well. Okay, and we have passed the key as well that we are going to use now for our checkout component. Okay, so let's create straight away the checkout component. Open Visual Studio. We are going to open the Visual Studio. Okay, so I'm going to do. Okay, so let's create open the Visual Studio. Why it is not opening? Yeah, okay, so now see. Okay, so this one we are going to close this one. Now it is not required. Now I am going to open. I'm going to create the new component. Okay, new file component, and here I'm going to make it checkout.js. Okay, so this has been created. RAFC, we are going to create the rect arrow function component. Okay, like this, that automatically generates in few seconds. Okay, so now we will also open the card component. That is, see, checkout is similar to the card component. Okay, so now we are going to copy this all and we'll paste it here, but no, we are not going to paste it like this. We are going to paste like this. Upper import classes are same in the checkout component as well, and here we are going to do it like this. And after that we are going to use this const, and we are going to fetch the API. Okay, we are going to use it here like this, but here our API is not card, our API is checkout this time, so we are going to use the checkout. Okay, rest everything is same. And here return as well, we are going to use this one. Okay, this return we are going to replace like this. Okay, and here I am going to make it like order review this time, or checkout. We can simply add the checkout, whatever we want. Okay, let me add checkout. Okay, and uh, here at the bottom, and anything else, no, at the bottom export default checkout. Okay, so now we are going to see checkout will look similar to the card. Okay, we are going to see here, here if you click on checkout, see nothing is happening because we need to add the link to the checkout button. Okay, so that thing we are going to update the card component here. uh, Here the link, this one. Okay, so here we are also going to add the link like we have added the shop link there. Here also we are going to add, but here we are going to add the checkout link. Okay, so where it gone? Here I'm going to keep it like this. Okay, so here the link is like this one. Okay, checkout question mark and everything, and here we are going to make checkout. Okay, so here user ID that we are getting from search params, so we are going to use this one. And here plus this one. Okay, so now we are going to try refreshing this one, and let's see. Let's click on checkout and see if we able to reach the checkout page. Let's click on checkout. Yes, we able to read the checkout page, but no information is coming. We need to see why. Okay, we need to see if some error is coming or something else. uh, okay, yeah, I got it. What is the issue that we not added in our app.js? Every component we need to add here. Once we create the component, we need to add here as well. Okay, so we forgot to add, so we will just copy the card one, and here we are going to add Okay, so now uh, along with that we are also going to add this one here. Anywhere we can add here as well, checkout, and here also checkout. Now let's hope that we able to see, refresh here, and you can see that we able to reach the checkout page, and you can see checkout page is similar to the card page, but here we need to remove few things like delete item we are going to remove, and also we are required to show the total price. Okay, so first of all we are going to remove the delete item from the checkout, that is not required at all. We are going to remove this one. Okay, so here link also, that complete we need to remove here from here. Okay, so now you can see this is the checkout for us. Okay, and continue shopping also, it is not required here. Okay, later on we are going to see what we need to do with this one. Buttons later on we are going to modify, or we can simply remove these buttons that are not required right now. Okay, we are going to add the new buttons. Okay, so here we are going to show the total price, and for showing the total price we are going to use this loop once again. Okay, and uh, and we will add the condition here. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to copy this one and going to place here somewhere this one. Okay, and here I am going to remove the middle one. Here I am going to remove this like this. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we are going to add the condition here, like if key, we have entered the key in the last video, we have seen that along with the total price we have the key as well. Okay, so if a key is equal to 0, then we are going to show the total price, because we want to show the total price just once. And here if in case like here I'm going to show first of all the total price h5, and here I'm going to show the total price like total price like this, and here I'm going to add the product object. Okay, dot product dot total underscore price like this. Okay, and here we are going to use, I think, h4 instead of h5. We are going to use the h4, and here you can see total price is coming twice because it's in the loop, so we will add the condition that it will just come once. Okay, so for that we are going to add here this bracket we need to start. Okay, and we will close before this one like this, and after this yeah, condition we need to add product object dot product dot key if key equal to 0. Okay, and here we need to use this operator for comparing it with numeric value, and after that question mark, then this one will come. Okay, else condition is need to mark it like this, and it is null. Okay, there is no else condition to this statement, and here you can see the total price is coming just once. Okay, so we able to show the products in the checkout page, and we able to show the total price in the checkout page as well, that we have generated in the last video. Okay, so in the next video we are going to show the buttons here, back to card, back to card button, and as well as the uh, place order button. But before these two buttons we are going to add here the delivery address form. Okay, so that is mandatory to add the delivery address form, we are going to add. Okay, so that we are going to do in the next video, and also we are going to add the card link. Okay, that shopping card link we need to add, if in some time like the user goes to shop once again, and user see that he want to see the card link once again, he can directly go to the his card. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in the next video, so stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.